Assalamualaikum everyone. So today we have a very nice question in which we have what number is 20% larger than 120. So what do you think how we can solve this? So we can see that we have to find a number here that is 20% larger than 120. So the unknown number we have to find. So here we have to first find out what actually 20% of 120. So that means 20% मतलब 20 per each 100 times 120. So this and this will be cancelled, this and this will be cancelled. 2 multiplied by 12 will be equals to 24. So this is the number. Okay, now what we can do here, we have to find the original number by adding that will be equals to 120 plus the number we have found 24, and that will be simply equals to 144. So this is the required number. So if you like the video, please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.